What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time since I've posted my last video, but I'm back. In today's video, I'm going to be restoring a pair of True Blue 3s. In my opinion, they are the worst conditioned pair of True Blue 3s I've ever had. And as you can see, they are very yellow and dirty. It's going to take a lot of time and effort to get them back looking brand new. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to toss one of these to the side for before and after purposes. And now what we can do is unlace them. The sneaker is all unlaced and the shoe tray is in, we can start to clean them. Today I'm going to be using Angel's sneaker cleaner to get the job done. And I'm going to be using a hard bristle brush for the bottoms and a soft bristle brush from Angel's for the uppers. Okay guys, this is how the sneaker came out after I completely cleaned it. They're still pretty scratched up and scuffed, so now what we gotta do is unyellow the toe before we can even start to paint. What I'm gonna be using today is Angel's Soul Bright. I've used it in a couple past videos, but let's get into that. Now that the sauce is applied, I'm gonna wrap it in plastic wrap and throw them in the ice box. Okay guys, this is how the scene came out after I completely unyellowed the toe cap. Took me about 5 hours in one session to get it back to white. So let's get into the preparation process. Okay guys, now what I'm gonna be using to prepare the shoe is 100% nail polish remover for the uppers and leather prepare and deglazer for the midsoles. Now that the shoes are all prepared and sanded down, we can start to do the taping process. What I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to be taping off the uppers so I can repaint the midsole. I'm going to be doing this off camera because it can be very long and boring, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Now that the shoe is all taped up and ready to be painted, what I'm going to be using today to paint the midsole is Angel's True Blue. You can get this paint on angelsdirect.com, and based on their website, it's a perfect color match. Now that the blue part of the midsole is completely painted and it looks pretty good, we're gonna start to do the white part of the midsole, including right here too. So I'm gonna tape that off camera and see you guys in a little bit. Now that the white is all taped up, I'm gonna be painting it with Angel's flat white off camera. So I'll see you guys after that. As you can see, the midsole is completely repainted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start painting the uppers. I'm going to be using Angel's flat white from Angel's Direct. So let's get into it. Okay, but I be stressing, I can tell by your face in this game you don't play. I can tell by your bass she be cheating all day with little bigs or in game smoking dough to the face, yeah. And this is ceremony, we ran away, yeah. We don't run from us, we hit them boys right in the face, yeah. Said I got a cooler with a smut, I be wasted. I be up in school like a squad, said we ain't shit. She love how I move, said them boys they be basic. Criminal smooth, Thank you all for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, please consider liking and subscribing. And comment down below if you guys want to see more longer videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay healthy. See ya. Hands down, but I'm still counting on this paper. My head down, but I'm still counting on this paper. Only thing I wanted was the money, keep the fame. My head down, but I'm still counting on this paper.